7 easy yoga poses for instant stress relief. 1. Mountain pose. Start by grounding yourself with mountain pose. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart, and rise your arms slowly. Inhale deeply, reaching towards the sky, and exhale, grounding through your feet. This simple pose improves posture and instantly connects you to the present moment. 2. Child's pose. Kneel on your mat, sit back on your heels, and extend your arms forward. This gentle stretch releases tension in your back, shoulders, and neck. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let the stress melt away. 3. Cat-cow stretch. Move into this pose to awaken your spine. Inhale, arch your back like a cat, and exhale, round it like a cow. This dynamic flow not only relieves stress, but also improves flexibility and promotes a sense of calm. 4. Downward dog. Lift your hips towards the sky, straighten your legs, and reach your heels towards the mat. This pose stretches the entire body, easing tension in the back, hamstrings, and shoulders. 5. Seated forward bend. Extend your legs, hinge at the hips, and reach towards your toes. This pose soothes the nervous system, promoting relaxation and releasing built-up stress. 6. Butterfly pose. Sit down on your mat and bring the soles of your feet together, allowing your knees to fall gently to the sides. Hold onto your feet and sit up tall. Butterfly pose is excellent for opening up the hips and releasing tension in the inner thighs. Take deep breaths, embracing the sense of release and relaxation. 7. Corpse pose. Finish with corpse pose. Lie on your back, legs extended, arms by your side. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. This ultimate relaxation pose allows you to surrender to the present moment, leaving you feeling rejuvenated. There you have it, 7 easy yoga poses for instant stress relief. Incorporate these into your routine and let the positive vibes flow. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips. Namaste. See you in the next video.